Hello everybody, Ricky Deal here. Just another quick video of what I was able to obtain. I was able to obtain all this in just 1 week. I was really happy. I went to flea markets and yard sales and thrift stores and just got a bunch of stuff. So here we go. Got 6 Rubik's Cubes. Got those for about $1 each. Top spin, still in the package. A flip side. A hexagonal whippet, 2-layer super square 4, Gordian's knot, Coca-Cola slide puzzle. In the back there is a glow-in-the-dark Mahjong cube, a reflective kind of missing link type of puzzle with reflective paint on it, a Hello Kitty cylinder, another one of those, a quad cube, a 4x4 Rubik's, a Chex cube, a older version of the Rubik's Pocket, and I guess that's it. But again, as always, thank you for watching and have a great evening. Goodbye.